Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a pot of gold surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our pot of gold surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to line up the corners and I'm going to give it a nice fold right down the middle here. Next, I'm going to give this one more fold right here, right down the middle, so it kind of looks like a bookmark. Now, when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing at. Now, to start off with our pot of gold surprise fold, let's begin by drawing a little curve right here. So I'm just going to begin here. We're going to make a line that's going to curve up to here. Then let's leave quite a bit of space and we'll do another curve right to here. Now, right across the fold here, we're just going to draw a straight line like this. And then I'm going to make a line that's going to curve down here, and then one that's going to curve down here. Then we'll make a little line here, and a little line here. Then I'll make a line that's going to curve out and then in for the handle of the pot of gold. Same thing here, we're just going to curve out and then bring it in. Now right here, I'm going to make a triangle shape. So I'm going to go down, over, and then up for like a little reflection. And I'll do another one here. I'll go over, down, and up. So it's like a triangle and an upside down triangle. Now, right in here, I want to make a little gold coin. So I'm going to begin by drawing a half circle right here. And then I'm just going to make a little curve line down here. Kind of make it look 3D. Next, I'm going to make a little circle here, and then a little circle here for some eyes. And then I'm going to put two black dots inside of here for some pupils. Now my next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now once I open this up, I have my pot of gold down here, and then I have my gold coin up here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down and then up to here. And then I'll make a line that's going to come down and then connect to here. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come across. Then we're going to go down and up. We'll make a little line across for the tongue. Now let's draw some more coins. I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to make a half circle in here. And then I'm going to make another one that just curves down and into here, so it's kind of behind. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to curve here, and a little line that's going to curve here. Next, I'm going to draw another circle shape right here. And then over here, I'm going to make more of an oval shape. And then right here, I'm going to go down. I want to bring this over and then up. And this one, I'm just going to kind of draw a little curve like this. Over here, I'll make an oval shape. Then we'll make a line that goes down. We'll curve this around and up. I'll make a circle over here. Make a line that goes down, kind of curve it around and up. I'll put another circle over here. And we'll do another little curve in here. Then I'm going to make another oval shape right here, kind of behind this one. Make a line that goes down and bring it to here. Now, I want to add some fun little faces to these. So there's lots of different things we can do. So the first one in here, I'm going to begin by making a circle for an eye with a little dot in here. Then I'm going to make a little winky face right there. And then I'm going to make a little bump that goes out and then out and in for like a little kissy mouth. Over here, I'm going to make 2 circles for eyes. I'm going to put a line across each one and a little dot in here with a little line across for the mouth. This one, let's make a line that goes straight across. And then we're going to come down and up, and then down and up for like some sunglasses. And I like to draw a couple little diagonal lines on here. I'll make a line that curves up, down, and up. We'll make a little line across there for some teeth. Now, over here, I'm going to draw a line that comes in and out, and another one that comes in and out. We're going to make a smile, and then I'm going to make a line that's going to curve out and then up with a line down for the tongue. Over here, I'm going to make 2 little hearts, so I'll make a heart here and then a heart here. Then I'll make a line here, and we'll bring this up and down with a little line across for the tongue. I'm going to make a line that comes in and out here, and then in and out here. Make a line across, and I'm going to come down and up with a line across here, and we'll do some lines for some teeth. Next, over here, I'm going to make 2 little sad faces for eyes. Make a line across, and we'll come down and up. A little line across here, and a little curve line for the tongue. And then right here, I'm going to put 2 little dots. And then I'm going to make a big square shape around each one for some glasses and a little line across. I'm going to make a little smile and a little line that goes down, over, and up with a line across there for some teeth. Then I'm just going to make some little lines out here so it kind of looks like the little coins are like shooting out of the gold pot. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little pot of gold surprise fold. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.